What's up, guys? Today we're back out in the shed, and I'm not really wrenching on anything today, and I don't really have a goal in particular. Yesterday, I filmed a whole thing about tearing down my spare 07K. Now, this thing is completely junk because I let it sit outside with the head completely open, so the cams are junk, the timing components are junk, and it was just full of water. I was trying to take the cam girdle off the top, and then I stripped one of the freaking Torx bits, because I was going to do like a whole video where I tear down this engine and then kind of learn how to tear down an engine to get ready for the next project, so I can kind of learn the in and outs of the 07K. But then after doing that, I couldn't get the head off because I don't have the right tool, and then I couldn't get the upper timing, or the upper and I couldn't get the upper oil pan to come off because I didn't have the correct tools to get the freaking crank pulley off. And I said, you know what, screw this. We're scrapping the video. So I wasted like a whole day yesterday trying to do that. But thank you so much for the love on the last video. That's freaking awesome. That video did so much better than I had ever expected it to, and it's probably one of my worst videos. But I did have a comment that made a great point. A quick synopsis of that comment was basically just shut up and go do something. So that's what we're gonna go do. In my last video, I called this thing, wow, that was really loud. In my last video, I called this thing the ultimate street car, and I still stand by that. So I'm gonna go prove it why it's the ultimate street car. This thing will put some hair on your chesties, that's for sure. Oh, we broke something. Not really sure what we broke. Oh. Something trans-related. Either trans-related or axle-related. I don't know what I broke. I don't hear any freaking cracking or anything crazy. Oh, dummy. Oh. Well, I was bound to break something, so I don't know what I broke. Oh, I gotta get out and push. If it was an axle, it would have made catastrophic failure noise, and if it was a trans, it would have made catastrophic failure noise. It clicks into gear, so I don't know. I don't really know what we broke. It didn't make a noise like anything. Maybe we just broke the axle bolts? I don't know. All right, well, let's find out what we broke. Found out what we broke. We sheared off our axle bolts. That axle is supposed to be on that axle cup. Whoopsie daisy. That's what too many horse torques do to your car. The other one intact, I can't see. We just sheared off some axle bolts. Well, yeah, that'll do it. Idiot. I was having so much fun too. That's good though. At least we don't know. I didn't blow up the trans. I didn't blow out a CV axle. I just sheared the bolts off. That's going to be a pain in the butt to try to get those back out of the axle cup, but whatever. All right, let's keep pushing. I'm going to take off my glasses and my flannel because we're about to be out of breath. But this is a workout, baby. Takes me back to my college football days. Keep momentum going, baby. All right, let's take a break. Holy shit. This is my sign to hit the gym. Wow. The tortoise and the hare. The story of teaching patience. And in this case, I was once the hare racing along in my 5-cylinder Mark II, the ultimate street car. But now I'm the tortoise with a broken streetcar. But I must be patient, and we must prevail. All the footage is just going to be heavy breathing. You're going to be watching this in your room late at night, and your parents or your significant other, or whoever, are going to be like, "What the heck are you watching?" And then just to find out it's just stupid old me with a broken car trying to push it back to his house. About a half mile, or no, this is a full mile away from my house. God, I'm so stupid. I feel like Jack in the Titanic. Hold on to me, Rose. Hold on. All right, we're gonna start our long journey back to the house. We're like a couple hundred feet away, so not a big deal. And then I'll have somebody come pull me back to the house. Whoopsie. All right, we're getting towed back to the house. Whoopsie. But hey, you know what? Content creator, baby. This is what we do. Break stuff and make videos out of it. But we're really close to home. Home is right over there, so whatever. All right, well, here's one of the axle bolts. So just kind of completely sheared off, just kind of snapped off. Let's go take a look at the actual axle cup and see how cooked the situation is. Hopefully the threads backed all the way out of the axle cup. And then that way we don't have to freaking, I don't even know how I would get them out of that axle cup if the threads are still stuck in there. But let's go find out. So I can't see the axle cup from here, but what it appears like is the threads are still back there. And at this moment in time, I do not feel like jacking up the car. But it seems like our CV axle is still intact. It didn't break completely, so that's good. We just friggin' cooked the bolts. You guys tell me. I can't see it from here, so you guys tell me, are the threads still stuck in the axle cup? After reviewing the footage, it looks like some of the threads are still stuck in the axle cup, so that's gonna be a pain in the butt to get out, but I'll do that off camera, because whatever, I don't know. I don't feel like filming that because I don't really have a great way to film when I'm underneath the car. Anyway, that sucks, but honestly, it was bound to happen with the amount of launches that I put this car through, especially the 7,000 RPM launches. I'm just going to put it in a little compilation of all the abuse that this car has gone through in the past, few months that I've gotten it running and driving. It's been through a lot, so... I'm honestly not even mad. I am astounded, honestly, that it came this far. I do have these axle bolts that came from the 8-valve and the 020. I wonder if they're the same size, if I could just use these. But honestly, I should probably just buy some freaking heavy-duty ones, because obviously we're aware now that that's a weak point. Well, honestly, it's probably not even a weak point. I've just put this car through a lot. That's why I build it. I build it to friggin' beat the ever-living crap out of it and just have fun. And I still stand by my statement of this being the ultimate street car. So anyway, hopefully the next video will be me going to pick up a new engine for the next project. So if you enjoyed me breaking my car, please subscribe, leave a comment, and luckily this won't be that expensive of a fix. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.